Assalamualaikum dear student. This is your video number 7. This is the index contents. I have finished the chapter number 1, types of computer, explanation and book exercise 2. Chapter number 2, functional units of computer. We have finished this work with explanation and book exercises. Now this is the 3 peripherals I have explained in my last video. Today I will do the work in book exercise. This is your computer science book. The name is My Book. Now open page number . This is page number 18. Now mention the date on the right side of the page. The first exercise, answer the following question. The question is, what is peripherals? Answer, peripherals are those devices which are attached to the computer. And question number 2, what is an input peripherals? Answer is, input peripherals are those devices which give input to the computer. Question number 3, what is backing storage peripherals? Answer is, backing storage peripherals are those devices which store the data for future use. Question number 4, what is barcode? Answer, barcode is an input device. Question number 5, what is gimbal tag? The answer is, gimbal tag is an input device. Now question and answer has finished. Let's start the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, A. Output peripherals are those dash which give output. Answer is devices. B. CD-ROM is an storage device. And C. Monitor of printer are dash output peripherals. D. Magnetic ink character dash is mostly used in banks. Answer is recognition. E. Peripherals are the devices attached to the dash computer. Now third exercise, complete the following sentences. A. Floppy disk dash dash and are called. Answer is USB, CD-ROM, hard disk and magnetic disk. Drive are called backing storage peripherals. B. Trackball and graphic pad is an dash Input peripherals. C. Peripherals leave a specific dash to do. Answer is jobs. D. Scanner is an. Input dash peripherals. Answer is peripherals. E. A barcode is dash printed line. The answer is strip. Now question number 4 is omitted. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एक्सरसाइज में नहीं करना है. अब आप लीजिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Yeah, this is the exercise number 5. Write true for T or false for false. Okay. A. Output peripherals are those which give input. The answer will be false. B. Peripherals are devices attached to printer. Now the answer is false. C. Floppy disk, CD and magnetic tape are storage devices. Answer will be true. D. Laser scanner, video digitalizer, barcode are input peripherals. Answer will be false. E. Backing storage peripherals are those devices which store data. Answer will be true. Now true and false has finished. Next exercise, fill in the missing letters. Let's exercise number 6. Fill in the missing letters. Number A, joystick. B, peripherals. C, gimbal. D, barcode. E, optical. Okay. Now this is the last exercise number 7. What do understand? Look page number 20. The exercise is what do you understand by. Exercise number is 7. This is acronym and expression. It means abbreviation of these words. A. ROM, read only memory. B. RAM, random access memory. C. UPC, universal product code. And D. OCR stand for optical character reader. E. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. F. CD, compact disc. G. PC, personal computer. H. IBM stand for international business machine. I. CPU, very simple central processing unit. And J. ALU, arithmetical and logical unit. Now the chapter number 3 has finished with explanation and exercise. You will do the work on book. Okay, Allah Hafiz.